flash flood watch remains in effect for the recent burn areas from 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time this evening through Wednesday morning. The flash flood watch continues for the Thomas, Hill, Woolsey, Stone, South, Creek, and Latona burn scars of Ventura and Los Angeles counties. From 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time this evening through Wednesday morning, peak rain rates of 0.50 to 0.80 inches per hour will be possible, with locally higher rates and thunderstorms with up to an inch per hour and heavy 15 and 30-minute rainfall. Shallow mud and debris flows will be likely, especially in the first-year burn areas, with a slight chance of locally damaging debris flows. In addition, roadway flooding is likely, especially in low-lying areas, along with rock and mudslides on canyon roads and below steep terrain. Flash flooding and debris flows will be a particular threat in and below the recently burned areas. Southern California residents, in or below the recently burned areas, are urged to take the steps necessary to protect their property. Persons in the watch area should remain alert and follow directions of emergency preparedness officials.